now we're going to have a look at the last aspect where we increase the life of the loan and what effect it will have on the interest that we have to pay. Right, let's have a look at the last one. So over here, we are looking at the length of the loan. Right, so the life of the loan in the first instance was 20. Now we're looking at 25 years. So we are extending the life of the loan. Okay, so what we are going to do, the deposit remains the same. So I've got my deposit, which is equal to 33,000. The loan amount stays the same. And that would be apologies for that. It is going to be 379,500. The monthly repayments are now going to change. Monthly repayments, because my loan life has changed. So let's have a look at the table again. About here. So in this case, okay, in this one we had 25 years, but the interest rate would still be the same, which was 11%. So we're still basing everything on what happened in 6.2. So we're comparing to 6.2. Our interest rate is 11%. So now I'm looking for 11% on the table, which is that column, and I'm looking at 25 years, which is that row. So my factor is now 9,8. So let's work with a 9,8 factor, monthly repayment, divided by 1,000, multiplied by 9,8. So my monthly repayment is going to be, I'm going to take the 379,500 divided by 1,000 multiplied by 9,8, and my answer is going to be 3719,10. That is what I'm going to pay per month for 25 years. Okay, so that was C. D was the real cost. So it's your monthly repayment, which was 3719,10 times 25 years times 12 months. And if I multiply that, I am going to get 1,115,730. This of course would have given you your 300 months, but you can do it in one step. Right, if I compare this to the first one, you will see that the interest is 175,784 rand and 40 cents more. Right, so let's just recap. If I have, right, the first thing we had, number one, okay, was a bigger deposit. I am going to pay less monthly, and therefore the cost, or the real cost, is also less. Right, if I had, so the next one I looked at was a decrease in interest rate. So if I pay less interest rate, I am going to pay less monthly, therefore real cost is less. If I had to, a longer loan life equals more expensive. You are paying less per month, but it's going to be over a longer period of time, so eventually it is going to cost you more. So the ideal thing is to pay a bigger deposit and pay a shorter loan life to get the best benefit.